approach. Mechanical advantage is the ratio of the input distance divided by the output distance. So this is a second class lever. How do I know that? Well, because the fulcrum is over here, and this is my input force, and this is the output force. And so second class lever, you've got the fulcrum, both the output force and the input force are on the same side of the fulcrum. Up here, we had, if you see, you can see the fulcrum here, we have the load, or the output force, is on one side and the input force is on the other. That's a first class. Second class, what we've done is we've taken the load and we have put it on the same side of the fulcrum as the input force. Okay, but how do you get the mechanical advantage for this? It's the same approach. What you're going to do is find your fulcrum. Let's see, let me try blue. I'm going to find the fulcrum and just think about, okay, where is it on the lever? Then it's the same. I'm going to make it a little tough. Then you're going to find out, okay, where are you pushing on the lever to make it move the load? Okay, well, here it is. Okay, so this is the input distance. It's the same approach as with the first class lever. The output force, figure out where that is. That's going to be basically the center of the load. This is going to be D out. So let's get the mechanical, and so it's the same calculation. It's the same thing. It's a little bit different lever, but it's still calculated the same way. So let's calculate it here. Let's count our blocks. So I'll just make a dot because you can't see my hand moving. What color do I want to use? Oh, let's use blue. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the input distance is 15 blocks. What's the output distance? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we got 5 blocks. Blocks cancels out, and we have a mechanical advantage of 3. So if you put in 100 newtons of force, you can lift a load that's 3 times as heavy as that force. So you could lift up 300 newtons, which is like 80 pounds. 70 pounds. 70 pounds or so. All right, that's it for a second class lever. What's the price you pay? Same as with the first class lever. If you want to get more force out of this lever, you're going to have to push down further than the load would be lifted. What's a classic third class lever? It is the wheelbarrow. I don't even know how to spell wheelbarrow.